Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to delete an account on eBay. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. You can log in with Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you don't have an account yet, this could be a good opportunity to create one by entering your full legal name, email, and password, then following the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once you're logged in and decide to delete or close your account for any reason, head over to the Account Preferences section. In the top left corner, click on Account Settings. Here, you'll find the option under Account Preferences to close your account. It's straightforward and simple. Before you proceed, make sure to read all the information provided. Closing your eBay account means you will no longer be able to sell on the platform or access features like My eBay. You will also lose your feedback and purchase or sales history. It might be wise to contact eBay first if you have any concerns. After you request to close your account, eBay will process your request within 24 hours, but it takes about 14 days for the account to be officially closed. If you are certain about closing your account, click on the blue button to proceed. You will be redirected to a new page where you need to provide additional information. Select a category that best describes your reason, such as security concerns, billing issues, or personal reasons. Carefully review the information and confirm that you have read and understood everything disclosed. Once you are sure, select the option to close your account. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, click on Help and Contact in the upper right part of the interface. You can search Close Account to find more detailed assistance. And that's how you delete or close your eBay account. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.